Hi, it's Cory.
And Stephanie.
And welcome to Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter Resort here in beautiful Walt Disney World. It's very early this morning, almost too early. We're here to try some breakfast at a quick service location. Where are we going?
Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory.
It's a mouthful. And we've never been here before. It's actually the food court quick service location here in Port Orleans French Quarter. And really excited to give it a try. They have a lot of different options, some unique options too here for breakfast. And we've heard good things about it. So let's go give it a try and try Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory. So here's our first item here at Sassagoula Floatworks, and this is the Baguette French Toast with warm fruit topping, tossed in cinnamon and sugar, and then you have your choice of bacon, sausage, or smoked ham. So I got the smoked ham, and it looks really good, and it's 3 really large pieces of French toast, and I watched them deep fry this fresh. It looks delicious. We also got this for $8.99. This is the breakfast po' boy, and I gotta say, this thing is absolutely humongous. And this has scrambled eggs, house smoked ham, red pepper aioli, shredded cheese, and roasted peppers and onions. And it looks really good. And wait till you see us pick this thing up, because it is humongous. Lastly, for $11.99, we picked up the shrimp and grits. Stephanie wasn't gonna pass this up. And this is shrimp, vegetables, cream sauce, ham, grits, and soft poached egg. And this is also a really, really decent portion. I mean, this is a big bowl of shrimp and grits. I think we ordered too much food. All right, so first I wanna give this French toast a try. And like I said, I saw them hand dip these, batter them, and deep fry all 3 of the baguettes, and they're super crispy. I just cut into one and got a couple pieces here, and it's all dusted with that cinnamon and sugar. Looks absolutely delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and dip it into that berry compote, and it's warm too, so that looks good. Let's give it a try. That's good French toast. Wow, I really enjoy that. Nice and warm, fresh and crispy. Deep frying French toast is always going to make it a lot crispier than you will if you do it on a griddle. That cinnamon and sugar on the outside, it's very sweet. Maybe could use a little bit less of that cinnamon and sugar mixture on the outside, because with the berry compote too, it adds a nice sweetness. So it might be a little bit too sweet for some people, but like from comparing it to like Tonga toast, very similar in sweetness to what you get with that coating on the outside of Tonga toast, but really good. And again, a giant portion here with 3 pieces of the French toast. Let's also give this smoked ham a try and see how it is. The ham's good too. Not really sweet at all, and not too salty like some hams are, but I definitely enjoy the ham and like it better than, you know, just the average Walt Disney World bacon or sausage that you would get at breakfast. So I think it's nice that they offer the ham as an option, kind of mix things up a little bit. But again, for $8.99, a giant portion here for breakfast. A really great deal and a great way to start off.
So just like Cory said, first cut into this French toast baguette, it's very, very crispy. I can see all the cinnamon and sugar on it. You can smell the sweetness. So I'm excited to give this one a try and let you know how it is. Let's try with this compote. Oh no, it went swimming. That's all right. There we go. Cory was right. I agree that the cinnamon and sugar could have done with a little bit less, but I'm okay with that. The berry compote, it's actually a warm sauce, and I really like that because dipping it into that, it's just a nice consistency. And truthfully, I thought with using the baguette, it was gonna have a stale, almost a dryness to it, but it doesn't at all. They did a very good job keeping it nice, fresh, and crispy, and the flavors are all there. This is a really good dish, like Cory said, for $8.99. Awesome value here.
All right, so like I said, this breakfast po' boy is humongous. Look at the size of this thing. It's as big as my head, and I got a big head. But I cut it in half to try it because picking this thing up, it's gonna fall all over the place. Tons of egg, a bunch of that smoked ham on there. Let's give it a try and see how it is. And look at that. Like I said, really, really big breakfast sandwich. There's no easy way to do this. We're just gonna dive right in. It's gonna be a mess, I know it is. Wow, and that is really delicious too. The eggs are great. The ham, again, is that same smoked ham, is really good, and everything on here works really well. The peppers and onions are cooked nicely, and that creamy kind of mayo sauce that's on top is really good. The bread itself, really, really soft and fluffy. It looks like really big and kind of like too much bread at first, but once you see how it squeezes down and it's nice and soft and fluffy, wow, I am so impressed with this breakfast so far. And again, this one was $8.29 for this giant breakfast sandwich that literally 2 people could easily share, no problem. Wow, I'm just impressed so far. This is delicious.
So like Cory already mentioned, I'm really excited about this shrimp and grits. It is one of my favorite things to have when we go out for a nice breakfast. I have to admit, I've never had it here, so let's see how it is. This is awesome. They do not, cut you short on any way by giving you lots of shrimp in there. The ham offers a really nice flavor, also makes it a little bit more filling of a dish. The grits are really good. They're not overly seasoned, which is perfect. All the sauce on this, very, very good flavor. It's got that red pepper and the onions. Very, very good. And also to have the poached eggs on it is awesome because it adds a little bit more protein, really fill you up before you can, head out to the parks. For $11.99, this is huge. And you can certainly share this if you wanted to. I don't think I'm going to.
Of course she's gonna share this with me. Look at the size of this thing. It's humongous. And yeah, for $11.99, this is a huge portion. But we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. I got a shrimp there, some ham, some grits, a little bit of everything. I have to agree with Steph. That is super tasty. Wow, 3 for 3 here at Sassagoula. This is really, really tasty. Like Steph said, that cream sauce that's on there, not spicy, which is good because, it's kind of for the masses. And the grits themselves, really nice and creamy and delicious. The shrimp cooked perfectly, not chewy at all. And the ham has that great flavor. I love everything about this. It's gonna be another heavy dish here for breakfast, but man, 3 amazing options here. All of them that we've tried have been so good, and all of them have been a great value too. So this is gonna be a really good breakfast, and we're gonna have a hard time eating all 3 of these. Alright, so that was our breakfast here at Sassagoula Floatworks here at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. And what'd you think?
I thought it was awesome, and that honestly might be my new favorite quick service breakfast option here on Disney property.
Yeah, I definitely in the top. It's so good, and man, so many great options and such a great value too. I mean, we had the French toast, the po' boy, and the shrimp and grits, all for about $30, and they were all very large portions and super delicious and fresh. I think my favorite was the French toast.
It was pretty amazing. The exterior was so nice and crispy, but the inside of it was, eggy and fluffy. And the fruit filling that it came, or the fruit topping that it came with, offered a really good flavor. You didn't even need syrup.
I agree. It was good. If anything, I would just do a little bit less of the sugar on the outside, just because that may have been a little bit too sweet for some, but it was really delicious. And the po' boy was humongous. Those peppers and onions were really good, had a really great flavor. And your shrimp and grits, again, were just really, really good. Very rich. Couldn't eat all those either. But a great option here at Sassagoula Floatworks. Definitely come give it a try, and come in in the morning before you go into the parks. It's such a beautiful resort here. Here and Riverside are both so beautiful. And that's gonna do it for us here today at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe below for more like it. And we will see you next time.
Thanks for watching.